Hey, this is John Howe from Sydney, Australia, and I just wanted to personally thank Oscar and his whole crew for putting on OMNICAMP. I'm a trader, I've been trading for quite some time, and I've been also trading the futures market, and I do okay at stock trading and long-term, sort of short-term, mid to short-term stock trading, and also I've been doing a bit of day trading as well. But out of all the many years, it's about 4 or 5 years now I've traded my trading career, and all I say is that I've never, ever, ever out of my whole career, out of the thousands, $100,000 as I speak, of education and materials and everything that I've put myself through to actually get to where I'm right now, with the OMNICAMP, I've never, ever, ever met anyone as honest as Oscar. And I honestly say that, that's the reason I'm here, and that's the reason I'm at OMNICAMP. It was the best ever seminar, and I don't know why he didn't charge double for it, honestly. It's definitely worth the weight in gold. He's honest, he gives you the exact entries, the exact exits, he tells you exactly how he has a 75% success rate over many, many years. And he's got all those stats on his website. So, Oscar, thank you so much. You really have changed the way I personally look at day trading. You know, I had the stock market trading sort of things handled, but this day trading I was just puzzled and I really couldn't figure it out. But after coming on OMNICAMP, it's made it so much more clear and so much more simple. And to be honest, I couldn't believe how simple it really was. So, Oscar, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I really do look forward to many, many, many more years, and hopefully for the rest of my life to knowing you and becoming really good friends with you. Thank you so much, and God bless.